Stop paying for live television and stop worrying about complicated setups that never seem to work. You are likely missing out on hundreds of free channels, just because of where you live or how your device is configured. Today, I am showing you exactly how to unlock the massive Google TV FreePlay Library, no matter where you are on the map. Welcome to TechVibes, where we help you master your gadgets and save a lot of money in the process. If you have a Google TV or an Android TV device, you already have a powerful entertainment hub. You just need to know how to flip the right switches to get those 250 plus live channels running for free. The first step to unlocking this content without a constant VPN struggle is all about your Google account location settings. Most people think the TV checks your physical IP address every second, but it actually relies heavily on your account's home territory. You need to head over to your Google payment profile on a computer and create a secondary profile set to a United States address. This simple change tells the Google Play Store that you are a US user, which often triggers the FreePlay app to download automatically. It is a one-time fix that solves the problem for most users immediately. Next, you need to look at your device's language and region settings. Even if you are in London or Toronto, you should set your TV's system language to English United States. When the operating system sees this, it prioritizes US-based features like the Live tab and the FreePlay app. It sounds simple, but your device uses these small cues to decide which features to hide and which to show. Let's dive into more ways to optimize your Google TV experience. The third trick involves using a temporary DNS override. Instead of a bulky VPN that slows down your internet speed, you can manually set your DNS to a US-based provider. Enter the network settings on your TV and change the DNS to 8.8.8.8 or a similar public server. This helps the device verify its connection to Google's main servers. Without the lag of a virtual private network, it keeps your streaming fast and your 4K picture quality crisp. Fourth, you should check for a system update specifically for the Google TV Home app. Sometimes the FreePlay feature is already on your device, but the interface is outdated. Go to the Play Store on your TV, search for Google TV Home and hit Update. This often forces the new live icon to appear on your top navigation bar. Once that icon shows up, you are officially in the club. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips. Finally, if the app still feels hidden, you can use a third-party launcher like Projectivity to find the hidden system activity. Since FreePlay is a system app, it is always there in the background. A custom launcher can create a direct shortcut on your home screen so you can jump into the live guide with one click. For a quick bonus tip, if you are still seeing content unavailable, try clearing the cache of the Google Play Services app. This clears out old location data and forces the TV to look at your new US-based settings. If this helped you save money on your cable bill, give us a like and subscribe to TechVibes for more streaming secrets. Tell me in the comments which channel you are watching first. See you in the next one.